I am Rudraya, Senior Lecturer from BAPUC. Welcome to the 8th session of LPP. In this session, we are going to learn one more problem of formulation of LPP. Let us see the example. A small manufacturer employs 5 skilled men and 10 semi-skilled men for making a product in two qualities, a deluxe material and an ordinary material. The production of deluxe model requires 2 hours by skilled man and 3 hours by semi-skilled man. The ordinary model requires 1 hour by a skilled man and 2 hours by a semi-skilled man. According to worker union rules, no man can work more than 8 hours per day. The profit of each deluxe model is ₹10 and that of each ordinary model is ₹8. Formulate an LPP such that the total profit is maximized. See, once again the problem is profit oriented, hence objective function is to be maximized. Let us see. First, you need to identify the variables. Let X be the deluxe model and Y be the ordinary model. So we are going to use a table: skilled, unskilled. So write down type of labor, and here deluxe model, it is X, ordinary model, it is Y, and it is requirement, and here it is profit. Now read the problem. See, the production, actually how many skilled men? 5 skilled men and 10 semi-skilled men for making a product in two qualities, as I said, deluxe model and ordinary model. Now, the production of deluxe model requires 2 hours by skilled man. The production of deluxe model requires 2 hours by skilled man and 3 hours by semi-skilled men or unskilled. Then, once again, the ordinary model requires 1 hour by skilled and 2 hours by semi-skilled. Then, according to worker union rules, no man can work more than 8 hours per day. See here there is a small calculation part, because how many skilled men are available? 5 skilled men. So, 5 into 8, it is 40. Therefore, it is the available requirement time for a skilled man is less than or equals to 40. Similarly, 10 semi-skilled men, it is 10 into 8, it is 80, less than or equals to 80. So, and the profit here for deluxe model, the profit will be 10, and for the ordinary model it is 8. Now LPP is as follows: maximized Z equals to 10x plus 8y subject to constraint. See here, it is 2x plus y less than or equals to 40, 3x plus 2y less than or equals to 80, and x comma y greater than or equals to 0. So this is how the LPP will be formalized. Thank you.